So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Rah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! More junk. Oh, look! A shark's tooth! Whoa, Debo, there sure are a lot. I wonder, how many teeth does a shark have? Great idea, Debo. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'm gonna need duck feet, a grabber arm, and a propeller.
Duck feet, grabber arm, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Whoa!
Oh, hi there. I'm Dr. Paula the Pilot Fish. I'm a shark dentist.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn how many teeth a shark has.
Well, you swam into the right corner of the ocean. I'm about to visit my friend and patient, Larry.
Hello, I think I have a loose tooth.
We'll find out. We pilot fish help keep the shark's mouth clean in exchange for protection from fish who might chase us.
Wow, what a great friendship.
Whoop!
Whoa! Someone call the Tooth Fairy.
Let's take a look. Open wide, Larry. Nothing to worry about. Come on in. The water's fine. As you can see, there's not just one row of teeth. There's row after row after row. Go ahead and close now, buddy. Maybe keep your mouth open just a little bit, Larry.
Whoa! Another tooth on the loose.
That's why Larry's got all these rows of teeth. They're waiting in line for when the front teeth fall out, and need to be replaced. Happens all the time.
That's kinda like us humans when we're kids. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 56, 57, 58.
I sure wish sharks could floss.
213! Oh, that sure is a lot of teeth to take care of.
You're right. There can be as many as 300 teeth in a shark's mouth at any given time. And get this, through his whole life, Larry here can grow and lose as many as 50,000 teeth.
That's a huge number.
All done, Larry.
Woohoo!
Whee! Bless you! And I got the answer to my question. How many teeth does a shark have? Sharks have several rows of teeth, can have as many as 300 teeth at one time and 50,000 over the course of their lives. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for teaching us all about teeth, Dr. Paula.
Bye, Blippi. Don't forget the floss.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!